So, do I get penalized for writing lesson 150 and 250 in IELTS writing task 1 and task 2? Is word count important? The short answer is no, at least not directly. Let me explain. As you may know, the word count in task 1 is 150 words and in task 2, 250. But it actually depends on your writing skill as a writer. So you can write less but still be able to do a great job. But with any more or less, this will become a very difficult task. It's very challenging. So what should we do then? You should aim for 160 to 170 in task 1 and 260 to 270 in task 2. Try not to write more than these. Of course you can if you want. You know that there is no upper limit. It means that you can write as many words as you like and examiners have to read your essay. But you should not. You should save time to edit your final draft. Besides, the more you write, the more language mistakes you may make, and these can impact your grammar and vocabulary scores. So, to recap, do I get penalized for writing less? The answer is no, as long as you fully develop your answer. Is word count important? No, focus on task achievement in task 1 and task response in task 2, and stop worrying about the word count. Again, as long as you fully develop your answer in task 2 and cover the main features in task 1, you will be okay. Is there an upper limit? No, you can write as many words as you like, and it's the examiner's job to read and score your essay. But you shouldn't. You should save time to edit your essays instead. Besides, the more you write, the more grammatical and language mistakes you may make, and these can impact your grammar and Lexis score. So in short, you shouldn't worry about the word count if the task is fully achieved or responded.